Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Andrew, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to share your Threads profile with others. Now let's jump to my phone screen so that I can show you how this is done. You want to head over to the user icon on the utmost right hand side, and here you will find the button that says share profile. You want to go ahead and you want to click share profile. Now this will pop up and give you a list of all the applications that you have on your phone that you could possibly use to share your profile. And all you have to do is just go ahead and select one of the applications that you have. For example, you can use Facebook, you can use WhatsApp, you can use Instagram, you can use Messages, whatever it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you, for example, how to use Instagram directly. Let me go ahead and select Instagram, and once the Instagram is open, you will see some of the peoples that you're following, and you can easily click the send button beside your names to share them your Threads profile. And that's all there is to it. Now guys, if you found some value again in this video, go ahead, give this video a like, let us know in the comments below, and if you're not yet subscribed, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one.